At Shireland we have a very big population of English as an additional speakers. Families and in the community, they know Littlebridge. We work with our primary schools, so children come up already being familiar with Littlebridge.
Littlebridge is an exciting and playful way to practice English skills. Students get it straight away. They are immersed in the Littlebridge world immediately.
My favourite character is Matthew because he likes football and he's in most of the levels.
We've had quite a few students last year who came in without any knowledge of English at all. Very timid, not communicating at all. After being on Littlebridge, learning the vocabulary, the language, they opened up, their confidence was boosted and they were able to interact with their peers.
When I come here, I only know what your name and that things. But when I use Littlebridge, now I know a lot.
It's really helpful and it just makes me improve.
We have also used it, in fact, across the board in terms of Year 7. There is a competitive element there, definitely, that children try and see if they can get better results. And the great thing that they can go and continue this at home has just been perfect, really.
In the last couple of years, what we've done is we've had our families work with Littlebridge as well, which is just an amazing thing to see. You walk over to a community base on a Wednesday morning and you'll find 20 families all working on Littlebridge, knowing that actually on the previous evening they've worked with their children in our school on Littlebridge.
And that's great to see students helping, family members to learn English skills.
Littlebridge has been a great solution. It's made a huge difference. We've tested, we've done baseline testing to see what difference it actually makes in terms of reading ages, and again we found that it has a profound effect on the way our children learn.
I think if a school wondering whether or not they should look into Littlebridge and see if it's for them, I would absolutely say go for it. And I don't think it's just about schools that have a high percentage of children who've got English as an additional language. I think it's absolutely a key piece of software and a programme that you can use with all pupils in primary and in early years in terms of secondary school as well.
Littlebridge has been a great addition to my school.